Yes, good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. In last class we did our word meanings, 30th word meanings. Now remaining word meanings we did today. Okay, we start today. So write down, continue, and today we do question answers also. Okay, so start. Next is our means 31. It's 31. Specknies, a very small Pekingese, a very small dog with long soft hair, with long soft hair, with long soft hair, short legs, and a flat nose, and a flat nose. Next is fringed, widely uncontrolled, widely uncontrolled, widely uncontrolled, wildly uncontrolled. Cackling, the loud noise made by a hen, made by a hen, the loud noise made by a hen. Next is villainous, wigged. Villainous is what? Wigged. Next is intent, purpose. Intent is what? Purpose. Its part. Third. Intent is purpose. Next is civilized. Civilized is well-mannered. Civilized is well-mannered. Interned, kept as a prisoner. Interned is kept as a prisoner. Interned is kept as a prisoner. Now next is smacked. Smacked is hit with an open hand. Hit with an open hand. Showed, to make something. To make something. Slink, to creep. Slink, to creep. 41 is stalking, caressing, alarm, it's fear, alarm, it's fear, stammered, spoke with sudden, involuntary pauses, testily in an irritated way. Next, relish, it means pleasure. Relish means pleasure. Okay. So first is smacked, hit with an open hand. Showed, to make something. Slink, to creep. Stalking, caressing. Alarm, fear. Stammered, spoke with sudden involuntary pauses, and testily in an irritated way, and relishes pleasure Next is mumbled. Mumbled. Mumbled is said something indistinctly. Said something indistinctly. Indistinctly. Said something indistinctly. Next is scornful. Scornful means expressing contempt. Expressing contempt. Expressing contempt. Next is briskly. Briskly, energetically. Briskly, energetically. Energetically. Now, here your word files are completed. Now, we start our question answers. First of all, our orally questions we start. So, everyone note down these 48 word meanings in your notebook and try to mug up all notebooks, okay? All word meanings, clear? So, now we discuss orally questions. Now, question answers. Question number A, and that is orally, okay? So, do in notebook. Question number 1 is what? When and where did grandfather find the tiger cub? When and where did grandfather, when and where did grandfather find the tiger cub? Find the tiger cub. Answer 1 is what? Grandfather found the tiger cub while on a hunting expedition. While on a hunting expedition in the Tarai jungle near Dehra. Tarai jungle near Dehra. Okay. Now next question is what? Who named the tiger cub and what was it called? Who named the tiger cub and what was it called? What was it called? Answer 2 is what? Grandfather named the tiger cub Timothy. Grandfather named the tiger cub Timothy. Okay. Next is, what was the diet of the tiger cub in the initial days? In the initial days. In the initial days, the tiger cub was given milk in a feeding bottle. Give the names of the two companions Timothy had. Okay. So what two companions name is? Timothy's two companions were Toto the monkey and a small mongrel puppy. Clear? These question 4 questions. Now next question number 5 is what? What was Timothy's favorite place in the house? What was Timothy's favorite place in the house? Favorite place in the house. Timothy's favorite place was the drawing room. Timothy's favorite place was the drawing room. How would Timothy spend time there? How would Timothy spend time there? How would Timothy spend time there? So, Timothy would make himself comfortable on a long sofa reclining there with great dignity, and snarling at anybody who tried to get him off. Anybody tried to get him off. Question 7th is, when and why did grandfather visit the zoo? When and why did grandfather visit the zoo? 6 months after he had given Timothy to the zoo, grandfather visited the zoo. To meet him. Grandfather visited the zoo to meet him. These are the orally 7 questions. Okay. So first is, what was Timothy's favorite place in the house? Timothy's favorite place was the drawing room. Okay. Everyone know that Timothy's favorite place was the drawing room. Next is, how would Timothy spend time there? Timothy would make himself comfortable on a sofa on a long sofa, reclining there with a great dignity and snarling at anybody who tried to get him off. Next is, when and why did grandfather visit the zoo? 6 months after he had given Timothy to the zoo, grandfather visited the zoo to meet him. Clear? Now next question answers, remaining question answers means answer the following questions we do in next class. Okay, answer the following questions we do in our next class. So here our orally questions and word meanings are completed. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.